chicken sandwich to see what the hype is about. But as you guys may know, I'm vegan, so I'm letting my girlfriend try it and review it. Oh, even the dog is hype. It's here.
This is a lot.
Okay, this is it.
I think this
We're about to see what all that hype is about. Oh my
I
god.
should have got the spicy one.
Too late.
Okay.
Okay, oh my god, this is it. How is it? Is it just a regular sandwich? Or is it next level?
It's a regular sandwich.
It's a regular sandwich? How good? 1 to 10.
Like it beats Whopper.
I never had a Whopper, so I don't know.
The pickles are good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what the hype is all about. You see that? Boy. It looks good. I wish I could have it. I can't. So it is good.
Yeah.
Do you think it's the best sandwich you ever tried?
I like chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The best chicken sandwich you've ever
I
had.
eat chicken sandwich.
The best chicken sandwich she's ever had. So the hype is real. You agree with everyone else?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. This little thing right here from Popeyes. It's only $4. Only $4. Think that's a lot?
Not fries.
I mean the fries? Nah. The fries, you know, it's Popeyes fries. They always good.
This is good. I should have the spicy one.
Wow. Yummy, yummy.
I like their buns.
So the pickle is the best thing out of the whole sandwich?
No.
What is it? The chicken?
Mm-hmm.
But the pickle is good.
Mm-hmm.
Does the pickle taste like a regular pickle?
Because, yeah,
It does?
It's so simple, but it's really good.
Wow,
It's just chicken, mayonnaise, and pickles.
that's crazy. That's what all the hype is about.
Doesn't KFC have one of these? Oh, it's just a chicken sandwich.
KFC?
Chicken.
I think. I'm not sure.
I always thought it looked nasty, but it's just chicken and bread.
So now you want to try the KFC and what else?
I want
The
to try
Chick-fil-A. Have you tried that one?
one.
They have a sandwich too.
Really?
Yeah. That's why they keep going back and forth. Like, people keep saying that Chick-fil-A has the best chicken sandwich. And then others say that Popeyes does. So, maybe for our next video, you should try the Chick-fil-A
It's
sandwich.
gonna make me fat. It's gonna be like a
Like what?
season.
It's not gonna make
A
you
playlist of me eating.
You twitching, relax.
It's good.
She twitching like a crackhead right now to the sandwich.
This is way better than just getting chicken tenders.
Yeah. So
that over
whenever you go to Popeyes, if you go to Popeyes, that's the thing you're getting now. No more chicken tenders, nothing else.
No,
Just
ew.
a chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna make it slimy. It's not slimy. And remember it was slimy around here?
Yeah,
It's not slimy.
that says something.
I'm almost done with that. I don't want to finish that.
So overall,
10 out of 10.
what's your final 10 out of 10? Wow. 10 out of 10. That's crazy. This is not a plug for Popeyes. I'm not getting paid for none of this. I'm not, like, we didn't get this sandwich for free or nothing. We just wanted to try. She wanted to try. So, I guess it's that good. 10 out of 10. This is where I end this video. Peace.